How do neon glow sticks work? Well, welcome back to Knowledge on Ears, and let's go find out. In nature and in our world, there are many different examples of luminescence, which is basically emission of light. There's bioluminescence like fireflies and other animals. There is fluorescence and chemiluminescence and so many more. But for a simple example, like a glow stick, this actually relies on a type of luminescence as well, and it's called chemiluminescence. Basically, it's when different chemical compounds react and produce light or emit light. And how does it work? Well, over here we have a small tube inside of this glow stick. And basically when we snap a glow stick, we're basically just snapping the tube, and that's what creates the light. Inside of this tube, there is hydrogen peroxide. And outside of it, in the remaining part of the tube, there is phenyl oxalate ester and a fluorescent dye solution. Depending on your glow stick, there's different types of fluorescent dye solutions which create different colors like pink, orange, blue, green, etc. And when we snap it, we're basically opening up this tube and allowing for the chemical reaction to happen, which creates peroxy acid ester and phenol. And the peroxy acid ester is very unstable by itself, which is why it actually decomposes into carbon dioxide. Now, what does the carbon dioxide do? Well, it actually acts as energy. It gives energy to the certain parts of our fluorescent dye solution, which in turn creates light. That excites the parts of the dye and it releases light. Now, for the other parts of the dye, that's what determines the color of this glow stick. So the rate of emission on this glow stick can change depending on the temperatures of the environment. So if it's hot, then the light of the glow stick glows much brighter and speeds up the process of the chemical reaction, but at the same time, the glow stick will last for less time. If it's very cold outside, then the process slows down, but at the same time, it will last much longer. And that makes sense because this carbon dioxide excites the dye particles, and if it's colder, they'll be less excited. So that's basically how a glow stick works. I hope it makes sense. Thank you for listening. Bye!